Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video, we are going to understand how to set up Webhook inside Helpwise. So Helpwise is a collaborative email tool designed to streamline customer support and communication within teams. It centralizes your communication channels, making it easier to manage and respond to customer queries efficiently. So by integrating Helpwise with another application using Webhooks, you can automate many of your support workflows and improve team productivity. So what is Webhook right over here? So Webhook acts as a bridge between different applications to create a connection between them whenever a specific event occurs. So to do all of this, we are going to use Webhook, and to set up the Webhook inside Helpwise, we are going to use this Pabbly Connect's workflow. So as you can see that this is my workflow window, and over here we have trigger and action. So these are the two most important principles of our automation, because these are the only two principles on which our automation works. So here you can see that trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the commands. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So where we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So as you can see that trigger commands the workflow and the action are response towards that command. And now to start with how to set up Webhook inside Helpwise, we are going to open this trigger. And over here for the trigger application, we are going to select Helpwise because we want to create a connection between our Helpwise account and our Pabbly's workflow. So I'm going to search for Helpwise and then we are going to select it. So we are going to do this because I want to send the Helpwise data from Helpwise to any another application. And now for the trigger event, you can see there are multiple trigger events, which is conversation created, conversation assigned, conversation closed, deleted, reopened, added note in conversation, applied tag in conversation, reply from customer, and reply from agent. So you can select one you desire right from here. Over here you can see the reasons also. Trigger when a conversation is started or created, and over here you can see trigger when a new note is added in the conversation. So as you want to trigger the workflow, you can select the same trigger event right from here. So I'm going to select it as conversation created, and now you can see that it is giving me the Webhook URL. So we are going to use this Webhook URL in order to create a connection between our Helpwise account and our Pabbly's workflow. So first I'm going to copy this Webhook URL, and then we are going to read the help text, and it is saying log into your Helpwise account, navigate to the top menu, automation, integration, and then Webhooks. Click connect Webhooks. A pop-up dialog box will appear. So I'm going to do all of this. First I'm going to open my Helpwise account right from here, and as you can see that this is my Helpwise account and I've already logged in it. So it is really important to log in your account before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure easy. And now after opening my account, it is saying go to automation and then integration. And now after opening this, we are going to search for Webhooks right over here. So I'm going to search for it, and as you can see Webhooks, so we are going to click on connect right over here. And after doing this, we are going back to our workflow, and it is saying copy the Webhook URL and paste it in the callback URL field. Select the mailbox field, select conversation created from the Webhook type drop down. So first we are going to copy this Webhook URL, and then we are going to go to the Helpwise again. And now it is asking me for the Webhook secret key. So as you can see that this is optional. If you wish, you can definitely add this right over here, but we are going to add the callback URL. We are going to paste the URL we copied from our workflow. And now it is asking me to select the inbox, so I'm going to select the same. This is my inbox, so I'm going to select it. And now for the Webhook type, we are going to select it as conversation created. So as you can see over here are all the Webhook type which we had in our trigger event. So you have to select the same Webhook type as you select the trigger event. For me it is conversation created, so I'm going to select it the same. And after doing all of this, we are going to click on create, and as soon as we are going to click on create, you can see Webhook connected successfully. And as you can see that this is our Webhook which we have recently connected, conversation created. So yes, with this we have successfully set it up a connection between our Helpwise account and our Pabbly's workflow. And now over here you can see response A. So we are going to click on recapture Webhook response because I want to capture the response of the conversation created right over here. Now you can see that it is saying waiting for a Webhook response, and in the notes it is saying do a test submission / record. So in order to capture this Webhook response, we have to do a test submission. And in order to do this, I'm going to open my Gmail and send a mail to this mailbox which we selected right over here. So I'm going to open my Gmail, and then we are going to go and compose. And now we are going to compose this mail to the same email. So I'm going to enter it, and then it is asking me for the subject. So we are going to keep the subject as hey, I am testing my workflow. So now I'm going to keep the email content and the email body as hello, I am setting up a webhook inside Helpwise. This is a test submission. And then we are going to add the regards right over here. And then we have successfully entered the email content. So as you can see over here, I've entered the dummy content like the dummy subject and the dummy body, but your conversation will be started with the real content, so you are going to receive the response of the same only. And now we are going to click on send right over here, and yes, you can see that we have successfully sent this message. So now I'm going to open my workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the response sent or not. So I'm going to open my workflow and look for the same subject and the body. So I'm going to open my workflow, and yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the response. Over here you can see the subject, hey, I am testing my workflow. Over here you can see the mailbox ID. We are going to scroll, and as you can see the text too, over here you can see the same that we entered. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our trigger step, and now what you can do is you can further add an action step right over here, which you want to connect the another application with Helpwise. You want to send the Helpwise data to. So let's take an example. When a new support ticket is created in Helpwise, so let's suppose a new ticket is created, automatically Pabbly Connect will update your CRM with the ticket details, ensuring you can track and manage customer issues more effectively. This setup not only saves you time but also helps you to streamline your customer support process, enhancing overall customer satisfaction and team efficiency. So over here you can select any another trigger application as per your requirements. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our setup inside Helpwise. Now these were the simple steps to set up webhook inside Helpwise. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.